Salam my friends, welcome to another tutorial video here on my YouTube channel Nimul TV. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to use Adobe Photoshop to create a professional looking but yet simple to do thumbnail for your YouTube videos, and our final project is going to look like this. I hope you like it. If you're ready, let's open our Adobe Photoshop and get started. Alright, since you're still watching this video, it means that you really want to learn this thumbnail. So I'm not going to kill time and I'm just going to jump right into it. Alright, I love solid backgrounds because I don't want to make the thumbnail super complicated. So I'm just going to have like 1/3 of the picture me and the remaining is going to be text. And picture and 1, 2, 3. Now that we have the picture, let me just move these back. So let me take the picture out. Alright, I have it right here. Let me just open my Adobe Photoshop and start editing. Alright, so when I go to my Adobe Photoshop, I'm just gonna hit File, New, and over here you have to adjust the width and height of your thumbnail, which is based on the YouTube standard. So your width is gonna be 1920 and your height is gonna be 1080. Resolution 72 dpi for web-based pictures. Create. Awesome. And the next step, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna import the picture that I just took to my Photoshop. I just drag it on top and then I use Move tool. I just move it here. I use Move tool to make it smaller. So if I zoom out, I'm just gonna be able to adjust my picture. Yes, this is good. I'm gonna make some simple adjustments on the color. So I select my layer, I go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. I wanna reduce its yellowness. Alright, let's increase our contrast. Let's increase our whites. Increase our highlights and a little bit of black. Increase. Look at the face. Okay, I'm just gonna adjust the clarity, and yeah, this looks fine. I hit OK. Create a new layer on top of this, and make sure that my main color is selected to be black. And then I go to Gradient tool, and from the modes on top, make sure that from the basics you have the color over transparent background mode. You just drag it from far away. Yeah, this is good. Now don't use too much of it. And then I'm just gonna add my text. So let me say fast and easy. I hit OK. I go to Move tool. I put this here. Let me change its color using the Type tool to white. And then we have thumbnails. And then I use Move tool to move it a little bit to the left. And let me change the color of thumbnails to black. Okay. And I usually don't use rectangle or tools and stuff for the background of my text. I use Pen tool. So you go to Pen tool and make sure that it's on shape mode. And then I just start drawing random shapes around my text. Okay, let me just put it beneath and change its color to blue, I would say. Yes, fast and easy. The reason for using color blue is because blue represents trust. So I want them to trust when I say fast and easy. That's the idea behind using color blue. And for thumbnail, I'm gonna use a color like red. Make sure you go to a new layer and let me create this shape and adjust the color. Yes, okay. I want to add 5 stars on top of this to make it a 5-star thumbnail tutorial. I go to this website called flaticon.com. I've suggested this website in my previous tutorial as well. I start typing star, hit OK, and this is the one I want. I go to PNG, free download. I downloaded this before, I'm just going to do it again. I just drag and drop it on my Adobe Photoshop. I can drop it here. And then I just move it to the top layer, so I don't want it to kind of be over there. And then I just go to move tool and I make adjustments to its size and its location. Let's put it here, hit enter, and then I just duplicate it. I just duplicate it, so I have 5 of this. Put one here. Let's put one here, and then I hold control, select both of this, right click, duplicate, okay, and then I move it to the right, and I need one more, duplicate, okay, let me put it here. Alright, I'm just gonna move everything a little bit to the bottom. Let's put this here, here, this guy here, also put the blue background here, and for moving the stars I just hold control, I select them all. Alright, I just link them so they move together and bring them here. So if I want to move everything together, I go to the layer on top, I hold shift on my keyboard, and then I go to here, which is all the text and stuff. I link them all together, and now I'm going to be moving them together. Nice. Since this is a tutorial using Adobe Photoshop, I'm also going to use a Photoshop icon. Photoshop is this one, PNG, free. I just drag and drop it here. I make it smaller. I hit enter. Okay, and let's move it here. Alright, and you can just save this as a PSD file, save it as a PSD, and just name it my thumbnail template, and just save it, and in the future works. All you need to do is to just make adjustments, and that's it. And in case you want to save it in high resolution, go to save as, go to file, and it's save as JPEG, and let's say thumbnail 1. Hit save as and put this on the large file, and you're all set. You have a super cool, oh my god, look at me, you have a really good thumbnail, which is super simple. It's conveying the information that is included in the video, and it's kind of standing out. And the website that I use for downloading the fonts that I use is dafont.com, as you can see over here. So if you just use the font, let's say Prime Time, and hit search, you can just find the font that I use for this project. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video tutorial and you managed to make a super awesome and super cool thumbnail for your YouTube videos. If you had any suggestions or any comments, make sure to comment below this video. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications for more tutorials which are gonna help you to grow your YouTube channel. And as always, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Mokhles.